Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Google Meet for class, okay? So looking at this picture right here, you need to make sure first that your name is correct. Your first and last name are on the screen so that you are allowed to be in class and so that I can take appropriate attendance, okay? Over here is the time just for you to keep track. Sometimes when you're on Google Meet, you won't be able to see the timestamp on your computer. So there is the time for you to keep track. Now, there are many buttons that you will need to use to participate in class effectively. The first one is this button. It is a microphone. This is how you turn on being able to speak in class and turn it off. If it is off, it will have a line through it and will be red. And that means that we cannot hear you. So if your kids are playing behind you, if something loud is happening, you can turn off the microphone so that we don't hear the sound. When you want to speak and participate, you will need to click this button in order for us to hear you. Second, you need to have your video on during our class time. This is the camera button, okay? Right now, my camera is on. You can see me here doing the video and here in this picture example. If your camera is off, it will be red and it will have a line through it. Your camera needs to be on for everyone's safety during class, okay? This is how you turn that on and off. While we are in class, if you want to show how you feel about something, this button right here is the list of emojis. So it's like texting, smile face, sad face, angry face, thumbs up. If you want to show that you understand or how you feel about something we are learning, you can click this button right here and show us your feeling. It will pop up on the screen. Another button that's really important, while there are many of us in class and we all cannot speak at the same time, clicking this hand button lets me know as the teacher that you want to speak. It's like raising your hand in class when you have something to say. So if you click that button, it will turn yellow and I will know that you want to say something in class, and then I can call on you, okay? This red button is what you will click at the very end of class. It exits you from the meeting, okay? The other button that is important that we will use in class is this one over here. This is the chat button. This is a way for me to give you links to websites, to show you text, to share information, to write you a message. So this is a way for us to communicate as a whole class through writing, through typing, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video on Google Meet.